Experience the future of in-car connectivity with AUTOABC's advanced wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, tailored for Peugeot 208, 308, 508, 3008, Citroën C4, DS3, DS4, DS5 with SMEG, MRN, NAC systems. This cutting-edge solution promises to revolutionize your driving experience with seamless connectivity and a host of smart. Enjoy the flexibility of both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Seamlessly connect your smartphone to your car's infotainment system. Mirror your smartphone's screen onto the car's display for a familiar interface. Supports both Apple and Android devices for a versatile user experience. Support for the original car MIC with reserved installation space. Automatic correction function for calling cord ensures clear and precise calls. Enjoy USB multimedia playback with support for lossless audio, 720p video, and picture playback. Enhance your in-car entertainment experience with high-quality media. Expand your view with support for 360 panorama, CVBS HD. After installation, capture a comprehensive view of your surroundings for added safety. Customize your audio experience with EQ adjustment. Adjust music and navigation volumes separately for a personalized sound. Retain the original Bluetooth call function of your vehicle. Ensure seamless communication while driving. Expand your entertainment options with support for OIN function. Easily connect and enjoy additional digital TV features. Explore the world of Baidu Car Life with wired connectivity. Open it in the factory settings. Password 0301 to access additional features. AUTOABC's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Redefine in-car connectivity for Peugeot and Citroën vehicles. With a blend of wired wireless features, screen mirroring, original MIC support, and a host of multimedia options, your driving experience will be safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Upgrade your car's infotainment system with AUTOABC and embark on a connected driving journey.